Being an oil field company, we're not your typical transportation company. Before Motive, we really didn't have a tracking system, and it was all kind of word of mouth. We didn't know where our equipment was. Before Motive, our IFTA reporting was a fuel envelope. So we actually had paper fuel envelopes in all units that had to be handed in monthly. And now with the ELD systems and the professionals being able to upload their fuel receipts and that right into Motive, it's way easier for tracking now and being able to do our reporting. It's helped us keep track of the hours of service faster. Our IFTA reporting has been way more accurate than it has been in previous years. On the safety side, if there's an incident, especially with a unit that has a dash cam, we don't have to wait for the reports much longer. We can go in, we can see the incidents right away from off the cameras, which has been great. The asset gateways we put on all of our trailers, especially our bumper poles, for our clients to get to work. If something breaks down, just to know where a piece of equipment is to go replace whatever just broke down in the field, knowing what's in for maintenance, what's at a third party, what yard is that piece of equipment at, just to better organize our professionals' time. Motive really stood out, not only how it worked with the Canadian regulations, but the system alone was easy to navigate. It was user-friendly, so the transition just went so well, and it's just been a great experience since.